me, Esther Jiahui. Welcome back. Today we'll be doing DIY straw bag. As these bags are really trendy right now, I was thinking why not recreate one into a coin pouch. Ta-da! Using twines! I got these twines from Daiso, so it's really affordable for you to make them yourself. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the materials you will need. Twine, some fabric, zipper, and hot glue gun. First, we'll start by securing 3 pieces of twine and tie it together. Next, section them into 3. Bring the center piece to the left and then followed by the center piece to the right. Repeat the process till you get a really long plait. It may be time consuming, but I assure you that it is really not that difficult. Now we'll glue it up to make the side of the pouch. It's really satisfying to do this. This is probably my favorite part in the whole pouch making process. Once you're satisfied with the size, snip off the excess twine and cut it off. I actually cut extra fabric around the sides and tried gluing them inwards. But I feel that the hot glue gun doesn't really look very nice from here because it can be seen. So I removed the hot glue and cut off the excess fabric, and I feel that it's okay, it's still fine. So I'll carry on from there. Now, add the zipper onto the fabric and then use some pins to secure it onto it and then hot glue them together. Moving on to the bottom cloth, measure the cloth needed using a chalk and cut it out. Then fold it in and hem the ends. Followed by pinning the fabric onto the twine and then hot glue them as well. One final touch is to add the twine at the bottom and then you are done! I added some patches onto the pouch and this is my final results. I'll actually use it. So thank you guys for watching and staying to the end. You guys are amazing and thanks for joining me in my DIY journey. If you enjoy what you have just watched, do give me a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more DIY videos, do hit onto the subscribe button down below. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye! Oh, and I have